Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the anonymous data sharing function on the QLD Traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen. And in the travel mode section, you can find the second option, the anonymous data sharing. Sending anonymous data from travel mode will help improve the information provided by this app. And if you want to disable, just click to the next blue circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.